Hi, everybody. I'm here back, and we are going to talk about the use of special characters in HTML. I'm going to share my screen again, okay, so you can see what we are going to do here today. So here I have a simple web page, okay, where I have the doc type, the HTML, all of those tags that we already know and talked about. And in the body, I just create a header, a section, and a footer, just that. Just to show to you how we can use special characters. What exactly are special characters? Well, special characters is when you try to put on the browser, to print on the browser, some types of characters that the browser would not understand if you would code that character directly on your HTML code. Or even worse, a lot of those special characters, they do not exist in your keyboard. So you are not able to insert those by just typing, okay? So that's why you need the special characters. How do we code special characters? There are two ways to code special characters. You're going to always start the code of a special characters with the ampersand, okay? That's the symbol that you are going to start. Now, if you see a pound sign right after the ampersand, that means that you are coding the special character using hexadecimal characters that represent together that specific special character you want to code. If you don't see the pound, like in this case here, and you see a short word or some letters, that means that you are using the name of the special character. So let's see here, how do I know those? A lot of those special characters I use so much that I know by heart, okay? But anyway, what I have in my browser bookmarked is, for example, the W3 schools have a very nice list of special characters. Okay, as you can see here, it has some mathematical symbols, and then it has some Greek letters, some other entities, like, for example, the copyright. And as you can see, a lot of those websites that have special characters, how did I find this one? I went to Google and I typed special characters HTML. And then comes a list. That was the first one that came up, the W3 schools website, okay? So here we are again. Once I find that, I can bookmark to use as a reference. Some of those you're going to use so much that you're going to get used to it. So for example, the copyright, you have a way to code using hexadecimal number, okay, or the name of the special character. That's called entity. Now, if you look here in our code, I coded the copyright exactly showing the ampersand copy and always end with a semicolon. So let's see here. In this paragraph, I have, here we will talk about the paragraph tag, and I want to represent the paragraph tag. Now, if instead of doing this, I would write directly like this, Look what the editor does for me. It puts already a closing tag because it will think that you are coding a tag, an HTML tag. But you do not want to code the tag. You want to show the tag written. Okay, imagine that you are developing a tutorial and you want to show how to write the paragraph tag. Okay, so let's do this. Let's delete. And as you can see here, I wrote the special character, and now I wrote the other special character here. It goes up to the semicolon. And then I wrote what I find inside the tag, which is P. Okay, so then when I go to the browser to present that page, I have the paragraph tag written and the close written. So let's see how I wrote the closing tag. Well, the closing tag, I wrote the LT, okay? Ampersand LT semicolon, then the /P, and then the ampersand GT semicolon. And that's how you do special characters. Okay, there are so many cool special characters that you can put in your page. Okay, like for example, the spades, the clubs, the hearts, the diamonds, okay, for cards. If you're talking about, if you're giving a tutorial about how to play poker and you want to put the symbols of the cards, that's the way you would do it, because we don't have those characters in our keyboard, okay, to type. So that's the way that you do special characters. Okay, so let's finish that recording because now I'm pretty sure you know how to code special characters in your HTML.